And by this time, you have already set up your testimonials capture landing page, and you've had a chance to put in a couple of the testimonials, whether you have sent out the link for your clients to fill out themselves, or you've gone on to either realtor.com or Zillow and you've copy and pasted the reviews that you already have so that we have them into the KW environment. So what we're going to do now is actually go in and build that testimonial page for your website. So what we're going to do is we're obviously logged into Command. Make sure you're using Chrome. And we're going to go down here to the consumer applet in the bottom left-hand corner. Get that to load. And then we're going to go right up to create a new site. So we're going to make a page on our agent site, okay, versus the standalone that we did for the capture page. So on our site, select that, create a page. And then let's go up and name the page. So let's name this Testimonials. And remember, this is just for you. It's for your benefit. It's not what actually is seen on the website, okay? So now that we have that in there, we need to throw in some widgets, right? So we're gonna go right to the testimonial widgets. There's two of them. So you can either do a carousel, okay, which, rotates them through horizontally, but I believe there's a limit to only 3 right now that you can have using the testimonials carousel. So I like to use the list widget. So we're going to use the testimonial list. We're going to drag that right over onto the white space. And boom, that's popped in. And I'm also going to throw in a contact form at the bottom. Okay, so we'll throw that one in there as well. Oop, looks like we got those jumbled here for us. 1 second. Let's just bring that back up. Drop it up top. There we go. Okay, so we have the testimonials one on the top and then the contact form on the bottom. So let's go in and configure those widgets. So the first one we're going to do here, the contact form is all set, so we just need to go to the testimonials list. And because we've already put those in, all right, what we're going to do is we can actually see the ones that we already have that are here under the selected testimonials. And this is how you're able to toggle them on or off. So if you don't want a particular testimonial to be seen, you can do that. But let's put a headline in first. So the headline is going to show up right here at the top where it says from our clients. All right, so let's see. So I'm going to put on mine, you are our business. Okay, that's how I refer to my clients. Then a little bit of intro text. We value the input from our clients and look forward to sharing similar experiences with you. A couple of typos, because as you all know by this time, I can't spell. There we go. Experience is perfect. All right, great. So what do we want to show when we post a testimonial, right? So they've already put in their first name, last name, city, how long they've been a client, and their neighborhood when they filled out the testimonial, but I don't necessarily want everybody to see that, okay? So I'm gonna definitely have their first name. I'm gonna leave out the last initial. I'm gonna leave city, leave client sense, and I'm gonna take out the neighborhood. Those are the only pieces of information that I wanna have with my testimonials, but that's up to you. If you wanna put them in there, have at it. You can always come back in and change it afterwards, right? So a couple of testimonials that we have, right? So if I want this one, and I want this one, but I don't want this one, okay? Or maybe I don't want the one in the middle, I'm just gonna uncheck it. So now it's only gonna be those two that I've put in. If you wanna see more testimonials that you've put in, just click this Browse Testimonials button, and you can go through and you'd be able to check or uncheck, more that you either wanted to see or not see, just by simply unchecking them, right? And then hit Continue. So we have those two. We're gonna hit Save and Apply. So that widget is all set. Perfect, right? See, it's already popped in there. Then we're gonna hit Save Changes. And would we like to publish this? Yes. Cool. So as you can see, testimonials popped in on our page, but we have that eyeball that's gray. So you can't see it yet on the site, so we need to attach it. So up here at the top right-hand corner, go to Site and App Settings. And then we're going to go all the way over here to the Site Pages tab, which is on the right-hand side. And then this is where we can actually add a page, right? So let me just move my melon out of the way here. Put myself over here. There we go. And we're going to go and we're going to add a page. And then we can select Testimonials, because that's the page we just built. Then do Continue. And then we need a page title. So we're going to do, for this, instead of just putting testimonials, I think that's just kind of generic, right? I'm going to put our clients say it best. So that will be in the drop-down menu on the website. And then for the slug we can just keep as testimonials, because the slug is just that little piece that you see that's on the actual KW website with the / testimonials. And then for the description, now this is Michelle's site, and I'm just using this as an example because I have too many pages on mine apparently. So whatever you want to do for an SEO description. So you put maybe learn more about what our clients have to say. And then you could put your name and you can put your business and however you do that as well. So once you're done with that, I'm just going to scroll down here to the bottom and hit Save Page Changes. And now it is posted onto our website, right? So if we go back, let me just grab her link. And let's open that in a new tab and see what that looks like. All right, so we have her page loaded. We're just going to go down here to the menu. And now we can see our clients say it best. It's right there. Let's click on that. Zoom out just a little bit. And there we go. You are our business. And we have the 2 testimonials that we brought in from the ones that have been filled out. So that's how you add a testimonial page. If you do receive more testimonials, you are going to have to update this automatically, but that gives you control over what testimonials you see or don't see on your website. So if you do need to go in to change those, it's a little bit different now. We can't just simply click on the little dots here on the menu. We actually have to go out of the consumer applet. We're going to actually go over here and hit the designs applet. So all of the changes to any of your web pages that you already have are now done in designs. So if it should pop up because we just did it, which it did right here. It's testimonials is there. But if we have a whole bunch of different designs that we want to filter through, that's what these buttons here at the top are. They're just to filter what you already have and what you see. So if I just did agent site, it's only going to give me the agent site pages. So we can go to testimonials. We're just going to click on it. And that'll open it up just right to the editing page when we corrected it. Okay, same type of thing. All right, so now that that's loaded, what we just have to do, and there we go, move me out of the way again, is to go down to the bottom here where it says, if I can stop my head from moving around, there we go, configure widgets, and then just go to that testimonials list, and then you just go through that same process, uncheck the different things that you don't want to see, and then select or deselect the different testimonials. So for this, we had unchecked this originally. So now if we check it and then we hit save and apply and then save changes, if we go back to after we hit yes for publishing it, there we go. If we go back to Michelle's site here, we should have that 3rd review now that goes in there. So let's go to Michelle's site again. Hit menu. Our clients say it best. And there we go. So now we have the 3 reviews as opposed to the 2 that we originally started with. So that's where you add them, is in designs. All right, well, I hope you all found this very informative and useful. If you have any comments, feel free to put them up there on the YouTube channel. Definitely subscribe, and we look forward to posting some more videos for you. So have a good day.